So in this video we will find internal rate of return IRR. We have given 8 years cash flows which are uneven. Our initial investment at year 0 is 50,000 as given in question. You can find the question in the description. So these 8 years have different 8 cash flows and we have to find the internal rate of return. First of all, we will find the overall internal rate of return and then we will find for each year individually. So first of all, we will enter our IRR function, which is equal to IRR bracket open and values. Actually we have to add all these values, so select from here to the end and close the bracket. So now press enter and you will get internal rate of return. So here our internal rate of return is 6%. Now we will find the internal rate of return individually for each year. So first of all we will find for year 1. So here we will multiply the value divided by 1 plus growth rate into the power year. So here our value is 2500, so for the function we will put is equal to and select this value. Okay, now put slash and bracket open 1 plus and what is our growth rate? Our growth is 6%. Bracket close. Now we will put here this year 1 in power. So now we have to lock this internal rate percentage, this growth rate, because so that we can find our values automatically by dragging this one. So here select this one and press F4 to lock it. So you will see that the dollar signs are now here. So now press enter. Okay, so now we have find the first year internal rate of return. Now we will drag this value to the year 8 and we will find it automatically all IRR of all the years. Now you can sum up here and you will find that the answer is same as the initial investment. So here we will put our sum function is equal to sum. So you have to select all these numbers and close bracket, press enter. So you can see that the answer is same 50,000 as this, but the main answer is this internal rate of return is 6%.